back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm going to be doing a product review, and I'm also going to be trying this product on. I got this product from Amazon. These are S-Key eyelashes and eyeliner. It's actually magnetic, so it's come with 7 pairs. There's 7 pair of eyelashes and 2 eyeliner, tweezer, and a mirror. Okay, so there's a natural look, it's long lasting, and it's smudge proof. Okay, so I will leave the link of the description. Lord, can I have talk? I will leave the link for this Amazon eyelash product. So if you want to check this product out, you can just click on the link. Okay. So this is what this product looked like. Okay, so these are the tweezers up front. These are the eyeliners. There's 2 of them. These are the lashes. So it goes from, I guess, small all the way to big. I don't like these big eyelashes, but one of these days I will try them on to see how it looks. So this is a compact mirror. So let me take this out. So in this compact mirror, there are some other lashes as well. I like how thick the rim is. So these are the magnetic ones right here. I love how thick the rim is on these. So when you open this one up right here as well, so they got another set of eyelashes as well. I love the packaging, how they got on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try these on. This is my first time ever trying this product out. So let me go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to try these out. I'm trying to figure out which ones I'm gonna try first. Whether or not I'm gonna try the one in the compact, or whether or not I'm gonna try the other ones. Let me see. Let me see how these would look. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try these because I'm not too much big on eyelashes, but I wear them here and there. I really just wear eyelashes like for special occasions. I do have natural eyelashes, so what I do is I just normally get like the volume plump. And I just normally put that on. So I'm gonna get my eyeliner out and my tweezers. So how you guys doing today? I hope y'all doing okay. Sorry about that, I'm just dropping stuff. I'm in my bathroom filming, you guys. So I hope you guys are doing okay today. Today is hump day. Oh, I love these tweezers. They're very healthy, metally, if that's even a word. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my eyeliner on. So I'm gonna put a thin layer on. Are you ever wonder why when you see makeup videos where people open up their mouth when they be putting their makeup on? Do the open up your mouth help you by putting your makeup on? Y'all comment down below and let me know. Because sometimes I do that and sometimes I don't. Like, anyone who loves makeup or like to put on makeup here and there, do opening your mouth help you with putting your makeup on? I don't know. It seems to. People like, I don't know. I I guess. All right, so I did this, my right eye. Let me try my left eye, you guys. Oop! Messing up already. Alright, let me do this in the mirror. Because I don't want to be jigging myself, you guys. I really don't. I done made that mistake plenty of times, jigging myself in the eye. So I definitely don't want to do that no more. Don't wanna jig myself in the eye. Alright, how that looks, you guys? Guess it look alright. Think I put a little too much on now. If you put a little too much, just get you a makeup wipe, and just wipe away some of the product. So that's what I'm doing right now. So this is actually my first time putting on eyelashes on the camera, yeah guys. So y'all bear with me. I'm not a professional, nothing. So I'm just doing it my way. So hopefully this will work. I'm just using the tweezers, you guys. Excuse my nail, I need to fill in. My hands may be a little ashy too. But I'm at home, so nobody wants to see but my husband and my kids. Okay, so let me see. All right. I'm still working this little side right here, this little piece on the corner. Don't want to pluck myself. I'm almost finished, you guys. I'm thinking I'm liking this so far. I don't know about you, but this is like I can't stand stuff going towards my eye. Even when I go to the eye doctor, you guys, I be like, ooh, I be crying. Like I done lost my best friend because they be poking towards my eye. And then not only than that, I can't stand the lights. All right, guys, how did I do? Gotta get this on. Like I said, I'm not a professional. It is what it is. I just want to try this out. See how it is. I might just need to keep practicing this. Now, if I knew how to put my lashes on like these professional makeup artists, I'd be good to go. All right, you guys, so how did I do? This is good as I'm gonna get. I'm not gonna do one because this out here, my left eye is irritated, but how do y'all think I did? I'm gonna keep practicing, y'all, till I get it correct, but what you think? I'm just gonna keep practicing, you guys, but I love it though. I like these lashes. I don't like those very like lashes way out there. I'm cool with like small and medium, you know. But other than that, I think I like those. It's cool for me. All right, you guys, like I said, I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box down below so y'all can be able to click on the link. So if you want to order these lashes from Amazon, you can. And I'm liking this. I'm feeling this. All right. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also share this video out with anyone and everyone. All right, you guys, until the next video, I will see y'all later. All right. Toodles. Bye.